Welcome back to my channel, GabrielesMist. Today I will be opening this box. Is from Essential Depot, and you know that Essential Depot is great with essential oils. So I had to stock up on essential oils, and that's what I did during the holidays. I took advantage of a sale that they were doing, and also I am in the Greeners Live members. I am one of the members, and I took advantage of the 20% they were giving because they closed, and they give the discount with the Greener Life membership, and also they give that day 20% extra. So okay, let me see. Yes, so now I'm going to check that everything is in here, because if not, oh my goodness. So one of the things that they were giving free with the membership, you get this with the membership. You only put the codes in and you get 20 jars, I think. Yes, 20. So this will be good. I don't know, I have to change the I may change the label, I don't know. They also sent me free this organic shea butter. Oh, okay. And we have here all the essential oils, because they are essential, literally. I don't use how can I say, when I say that I use essential oils, I do, and I don't use fragrance with the name of essential oils. No, I use essential oils, but also I use fragrance. What I mean, I don't fake the essential oil telling people that I use it. I put the essential oil in something that is a fragrance. They package this really well before they just send the boxes. Okay, so the first one is Pine Scotch essential oil, and I don't want to break this seal. Why? Always happen to me. Same. These little boxes are nice. Hard to open. They're nice and hard to open. But it's for the safety of the essential oil. So nice. Love the label. Very, very nice. Pine Scotch. I will not be smelling every essential oil, because I can get sick. Okay, so that will not happen here. And for the record of what I purchased, I am making the video. So if I forget, I can watch the video back and I know that I got that. This is wintergreen. Then again, they will have in a sale, so I stock up. This is turmeric root. Love turmeric. I want to break the boxes because they can turmeric. I can use the boxes for other stuff. This one is Palma Rosa. Goodness. Palma Rosa. This one is spearmint. Spearmint. I purchased all of them are 4 ounces. This one is Comfort. Comfort. And essential oils are getting really expensive. If you see a sale and you need some essential oil, you better get it because it's gonna get more expensive. This one is tea tree. This one is peppermint. Peppermint Supreme. It's not just Peppermint Supreme. Patchouli. Evening Primrose. All these butters are crystal glass. This one is lemongrass. Lemongrass. This one is lavender. This one is eucalipto. And this one is cedarwood. Cedarwood. Yes. Happy with that. Oh, I'm going to take a picture. I take a picture. Okay, I will be opening the other packages now because I don't want to make a lot of videos of, oh, look what I buy, look what I buy, look what I buy. No, this is for the record only. And if someone wants to know where I buy stuff, well, now you know. Okay. Okay, so this one is from just a second. This one is from Wholesale Supplies. Okay, this one is from Wholesale Supplies Plus. They also have a huge sale where everything in their website were 25% off. So I said, oh my god, I need some stuff, but I need to make soap also, but I need to make other products also. And I end up having everything I needed in one moment. Yes, I did. And this happened. Why? Okay, so I got here rose hip powder. I got here orange powder. I got here lavender powder. I got here muru butter, banana powder, mango butter, shea butter. If I know that I was going to get that one, okay. Bubble hardener, lemon powder, tucuma butter, funny name, calendula petals, lids, invoice. Okay. Jars. And more jars. Okay. So here I have, because I have to order every time I make an order, I need to get, for some reason I need to get in fragrance. I don't know why, but it happened. Okay, so I got coffee mocha, and I also got espresso. Yes, I know. Okay. Then I need to cover all my addresses because they put the address everywhere. Oh goodness. This is from Wholesale Supplies, so it was 2 packages. One order. Sorry. I just can't help it. Then I got more boxes. I got with germ. I got, what in the world? We will see what is this one in a second. Okay, I got more boxes. More boxes. More boxes. Oh goodness, more boxes. And also I got castor oil because all my soaps has castor oil, and another castor oil. So okay, that is that. Now let's see what is in here. Okay. Let's see what is in here. We put this here, back in here. Oh goodness. I need to check my invoice after the video to see if everything that I ordered is in here, because I don't remember to To tell you the truth, I don't remember. So this is blueberry butter. I like the little jar. This one is coffee butter, lavender butter. I don't know butter. Let's see, what is this? They covered the name. And I ripped the name because, oh goodness, let me see. I ripped the name because they put the tape in top. Bruh. Really? Really? I don't know what is this one. Oh my god. This one is hemp butter. This one is lemon butter. This one is horse something butter. And then Wholesales. This one is cranberry butter. So let me see. We have blueberry. Let me see. Lavender. This must be acai. Yes, this must be acai. Acai butter. Because it's the only one that I didn't read in here. So I will be checking this one. 1 second. Okay. So I checked my everything in the list and everything is here. That was the acai butter. So yes. Oh my goodness, I was scared. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Please comment, rate and subscribe if you like it, or if you want me to change something. Don't tell me to change my language because I can't. I don't want to. Anyways, thank you again, and to the next. Bye bye and God bless.